331 373 331 373 888. This is the question. Would you put the root over sign so that I know it's a root? Yeah. No, put a 3 there, please. The answer to this number 692.
Yes, that's
Is that correct?
Yes,
Thank you.
that's
Thank you very much.
37 cents.
For 37 cents.
Yeah. Now these numbers are a bit nasty.
No, don't worry. Be
right?
nasty. Come
Okay.
on, be nasty. Yeah.
And he makes a profit of $13
Yeah.
and 34 cents.
Yes.
$13.
And 34 cents.
Right.
Now I'd like you to tell me how many items did he sell? It's a big number.
2 5 0 0 7 9. Correct?
That's absolutely right.
Thank you.
That's
Thank you very much.
What is that
Yes.
again? 20.
Confidential.
What day of the week was I born? If I was born on the 10th of March, 1940.
Sunday.
That's what my mother tells me anyway, so I guess it's right. Yes.
Okay. Now 6543216 cube root of this number multiplied by the fourth root of 389456, whole thing divided by the square root of 4945646. Right.
Right.
6 places of decimal.
Okay, I only have it to 2.
I'll
but
give you 6.
Okay, I can verify.
4 point. Correct?
So
8. Right?
Right.
4.8. 5 places more. 0 0 0 0. Right.
Okay.
That was just
Right.
funny. 0.
Oh,
He wanted
wonderful,
only
wonderful.
0. Okay, now the question is 2 4 5 9 3 7 2 8 multiplied by 3 8 7 2 2 1 3 6. Now tell me, Ayaz, you want me to give you the answer from this side to this side or this side to this side?
Oh my God!
I don't think he wants the answer.
What a
Well,
choice!
Tell me,
go
come on.
backwards.
I think let Chandrasekhar decide. Chandrasekhar, do you want the answer from this side to this side or this side to this side?
No, we'll keep the unconventional method later on. Let's go the conventional route first.
This way you mean?
Yeah, we have enough problem digesting the whole multiplication.
No,
itself.
this way?
Yeah.
This way?
Why don't we do it differently? What about the panel? Would you prefer the other way?
No, we should
Whichever
start
way.
from the left.
From
I
this
guess.
way.
Yes.
Left to
Right?
right.
Okay, I got
Right.
the answer already. The answer is 9, 5, 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 8, 0, 3, 6, 3, 0, 0, 8.
I wouldn't believe if that was
Is it
right.
correct?
It's exactly correct.
Absolutely
Right on the
correct?
penny.
Yeah.
Thank
Right
you.
on the penny.
I can't believe that. Are you sure it's even one digit is not wrong there?
It's perfectly correct.
I asked, when you prepared this, what was the procedures? You know, how many minutes did it take for you to figure this out, by the way? The
It took me 3 minutes with the aid of a calculator.
3 minutes with the aid of a calculator.
Yeah.
And you know, and I'm pretty sure Stan or Liz would be able to tell us. I think you did it, you know, probably, you know, what about the crew here can tell us. Was it about 30 seconds that she was able to do it?
Yes.
Approximately 30. Incredible. Again, congratulations.
Thank you, Sean.
That is quite something. You know,
118 machines,
118 machines?
yes,
Yes.
can produce 73 items
Yes.
in 7.5 days.
I see.
yeah, this is before free trade, by the way.
Right.
Yeah.
How many items can 217 machines produce in 11.75 days?
11.75 days. 210.
That's right.
Right? Thank you.
That's incredible.
Okay?
Are you impressed by that, by any chance, Christopher?
Yes, I don't think half my class could get that, even with calculators. in limited time. It's
Thank you.
quite incredible.
September 6th, 1969.
Saturday?
That's right.
Right. Thank you.